Unboxing, unboxing. Read all about it. Unboxing, unboxing. Read all about it. So another unboxing. This, as you might see or not, is a printing pen, my friends. It's something like a 3D printer, but you write with it by your hand. So let's open it up. Nothing else in that big bag. So here it is, 3D printing pen. You feed it with a filament for 3D printer, like this, and it heats it and works exactly like a 3D printer, but you can actually write on paper or do some other interesting stuff. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I forgot my knife, so I have to... Oh, come on. Okay. Oops. So it comes with a small package of black filament, so you can test it out. It comes with USB cable. You need one of your own adapters like this one, and you plug it in here. And it also comes with a small leaflet to tell you how to use it in Chinese. And this is the actual printing pen. Nothing special. I don't know how it even works. I've only seen some videos and stuff. So let's see if we can test it out real quick. This is where the power goes. Where is the on off? Where is the on off? I guess this. Nope. Let's see, give me a couple of seconds to check it out. My ampere meter doesn't. Okay, so it might work after all. Let's see. You feed it a little bit of filament. POA. Yes, it's POA. Yes. Heat. Oh, right now it heats the extruder or the nozzle. 75, say 80, 90 degrees, 100 degrees. For POA, the one we are using right now, it should be about 190 to 210, at least for this one. So we will have to wait a bit more. It's 159, 160, 170, 180, 190. Okay, so it says, oh, So this is how it works. What the fuck? Sorry. Stop. No, 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 back. It seems that I will have to get used to it. Stop. Okay. So you put it back in. Come on, what happened? Okay, this way. Oops. I'm not quite sure how it works. So you push once, it goes, you push twice, it stops. Once, goes, second time stops. Okay, so what is this for? Okay. Anyways, thank you very much guys for watching. I will have to play with this until I learn how to use it, because it seems like it's not exactly quite easy. Okay guys, thank you very much, bye!